Huh? Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Excuse me, sir.
Give me the keys.
Please show your ID, sir.
Of course. Huh?
Okay, got it. Here is your key. Enjoy your time.
Huh? Oh.
Toffee, what are you doing?
Toph, don't be so silly. We should be careful. Come on.
Get up.
Huh? I've seen them somewhere. The newspaper? So similar. It's them. I should call the police now. Emergency call. Emergency call. Hello? Police? Mr. Zippy speaking. The wanted thieves are on board the Grand Voyager ship. Thank you, Mr. Zippy. Keep an eye on them. We're on the way. They might not have gone far.
Nobody has identified us. My lovely jewels.
And my powerful tools. Sit here.
Nice smell. Let me have a donut.
Hey, guys. Come look. I have a plan. There's an island along the way. Once we pass it, we'll reach the destination.
Yeah, we know that.
Can we change our dresses now?
Now it's time for a new costume.
Hey, I think we can steal expensive things from here.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Come on, let's go look around.
Excuse me, everyone. My team and I are going to present a wonderful music show for you. And it's showtime!
On a cruise so grand, with music in the air, 3 clever thieves set out without a single care. Next the bear roams, who's hungry for a bite, spots a feast and chomps around with all his might. Oh, they're the thieves on the high seas, stealing hearts and lure with ease. Monkey, fox, and bear at play, sneaking treasures every way. Then bear sees a boy with a tasty snack, swipes it quick down the hatch, no turning back. 3 sneaky thieves on a daring spree, taking anything they see with glee. Oh, they're the thieves on the high seas, stealing hearts and lure with ease. Monkey, fox, and bear at play, sneaking treasures every way.
Huh? Such a cool day.
You know, it's a rare piece.
I love it.
Dolls can never be boring.
Hey, listen to me, listen to me. Please calm down.
Dear miss, I lost my expensive camera.
My bag too. My precious necklace was inside.
Okay, I'll call the police. Hello, police. Robberies reported on the Grand Voyager ship.
Don't worry, we'll be reaching soon. Come fast! Let's go this way!
good food is so hard.
I don't think we'll find anything here, honey. Come on, let's try somewhere else.
I'm so bored. I didn't even prank anyone today. What's the point of being a prankster then? Hey buddy, what's going on?
What's good? Nice to see you.
Hey Dove, you look tired. What's up?
I'm starving. We haven't eaten anything all day.
Oh, really? You guys must be super hungry. Don't worry, I've got an idea. Hey, how about we have some fun at the coffee shop?
Yeah, let's do it.
Hey, are you ready, guys? Let's not waste time. Oh, it's so crowded in here. Hey, listen, I got a plan. Are you with me? So move, please, or I'll blow this up. Stay right there, everyone. Hey, Dusk, Bella, grab whatever you want.
Hurry, buddy. Take everything.
Oh, that was hilarious.
Yo, why more? Let's go.
Stay back, everyone. This is super dangerous. Hey, Dusk, Bella, did you get everything? Let me handle this.
Hey, stop right there! You little jointsters! Give me back my things! Oh, my things!
Huh? What's happening?
Oh, please! Oh, officer, the pigs! They stole everything! My delicious muffins! I spent all night to make them. Please help me.
Huh? Thieves? Where are they now?
They went that way.
Alright, team, let's get ready for the chase.
Here come the raccoons, they're up to no good. Zooming on their bikes like they think they should. Stealing all the snacks, running here and there, causing lots of trouble everywhere. The sneaky cat joins with a mischievous grin, taking food from kids with a cheeky spin. They zoom down the street too quick to catch, making everyone laugh with their little patch. But here come the baby police, brave and bold, chasing those thieves, they won't be sold. In their shiny van, racing so fast, they'll catch those thieves at last, at last. Zoom, zoom, the thieves go with a roar and a race, scaring the people all over the place, snatching up goodies without a care, leaving a trail of mischief everywhere. But the baby police are quick on their feet, chasing those thieves down every street. With their sirens a-blaring, they speed on by, determined to catch them and make them cry. But here come the baby police, brave and bold, chasing those thieves, they won't be sold. In their shiny van, racing so fast, they'll catch those thieves at last, at last. The thieves may run, but they can't hide. The police will catch them. They're on their side, chasing through the streets, making it right. Baby police to the rescue, day and night.
Yay, yay! We're gonna watch a superhero movie! Dad, look! I got the ticket! I got the ticket! Oh no! My ticket! I want it back! Dad! It's okay. Don't cry.
I got the ticket.
Wow, that's so good.
Hey, Whisker, hold a sec.
Huh? My snacks! Hey!
In the big and bright theater where everyone came to see, 3 sneaky friends crept in. Oh, who could they be? Bella the raccoon, Dusker boyfriend too, and Whisker the cat slipping right past you. Tiptoe, tiptoe, quiet as a mouse, sneaking all around the big busy house. Popcorn falls, but they don't care. They grab the goodies everywhere. Bella bumps a soda, it splashes on the floor. Dusk throws popcorn, the crowd wants more. Whisker wiggles under seats, moving fast and low. While everyone is laughing, they're putting on a show. Tiptoe, tiptoe, quiet as a mouse, sneaking all around the big busy house. Popcorn falls, but they don't care. They grab the goodies everywhere. They snatch up shiny bracelets and little bags of gold, slipping through the shadows, being oh so bold. Popcorn rains down on their heads, but they just laugh and run, stealing things and giggling. Oh, they're having fun. Tiptoe, tiptoe, quiet as a mouse, sneaking all around the big busy house. Popcorn falls, but they don't care. They grab the goodies everywhere. So if you're at the theater, be careful what you bring. Bella, Dusk, and Whisker might swipe your shiny things. They'll tiptoe out with treasures, laughing all the way. 3 sneaky little thieves who love to sneak and play.
Hey, isn't that the thieves' bike?
Oh yeah, maybe they're inside the theater.
Come on, let's go check.
Superhero
I don't think they're here.
Maybe they already left? Yeah, I think so too.
Hey, thieves, stop right there.
Oh no, the police! What are we gonna do?
Don't worry, let me handle this.
Yes, ma'am.
Whisker held a dummy ball. Boom! He yelled to fool them all. Johnny jumped, but what a sight. It was soft and squishy. What a fright! Run, run, quick as a breeze, playing tricks with so much ease. Laugh and toss, spin around. The police all tumble to the ground. Cards flew fast from Whisker's paws. They slipped and tumbled. Oh no, he saw! Dust spun Dolly around the pole. She got so dizzy she lost control. Run, run, quick as a breeze, playing tricks with so much ease. Laugh and toss, spin around. The police all tumble to the ground. Bella grabbed a bouncing ball, threw it at Johnny, down he'd fall. Whisker laughed, his plan so neat. They dashed away on sneaky feet. Run, run, quick as a breeze, playing tricks with so much ease. Laugh and toss, spin around. The police all tumble to the ground.
If Come on, let's go to Patago. Hide!
Good morning, ma'am. I need to deposit a huge amount.
Okay, sir. Please fill out this form.
Alright, guys. It's all clear outside. Let's get this plan moving.
Everyone, stay where you are and hands up. Tell me of your money.
Oh no, it's a robbery.
Everybody, hold aside. Stand still and brace your hands.
Give me the bag. Oi.
No, it's mine.
Give it to me.
Move. Come on, hurry up. Hey, you start to work. I'll watch them.
Oh, are you hiding here? Come on, show me the vault. Walk faster. Open it.
Okay. Please don't hurt me.
Driving so fast, a bear, a fox, and a monkey at last. They had a plan, it wasn't fair, to rob the bank with a sneaky flair. Oh no, the thieves are sly. They make everyone afraid as they pass by. Grabbing the money, the gold and more, filling their bags and heading for the door.
Emergency call. There's a robbery reported at National Bank. Over.
The police got a signal, their watches beeped. Say Dolly and Johnny jumped to their feet. Let's gear up quick, there's no time to wait. They started their mission before it's too late. Oh no, what will they do? The baby police are coming for you. Say Dolly and Johnny, so brave and strong. They'll chase the thieves all day long. Zoom, the car speeds away. The baby police follow, they're on their way. Through winding roads and hills so steep, the chase goes on, no time to sleep. The thieves laugh loud, they'll never win, but the baby police are closing in. With flashing lights and a steady track, the chase goes on, there's no turning back. Oh no, what will they do? The baby police are coming for you. Say Dolly and Johnny, so brave and strong, they'll chase the thieves all day long. Round and round through town they race, the baby police keep up the pace. Will the thieves escape or be outdone? The adventure goes on for everyone.
Just missed. We'll catch you, naughty thieves. Oh, they ended up making a traffic jam. It's so noisy. Hold on. I can manage it. Stop. You go on, move. Wait, an emergency call. Pick it up, Johnny, quick. Emergency call. A dinosaur has been spotted on the Rainbow Rumble Street. A dinosaur? How is that possible? Whatever it is, let's go check it out. Hurry!
Shook with the rumbling sound, a giant dinosaur stomping around. buildings trembled, the windows shook. People ran with just one look. Dino, dino, stomping away. Chaos follows wherever you play. The city's in trouble, oh what a sight. A dino's rampage day and night. Cars on the road went zig and zag. Some went sliding, some did crash. The honks and horns went beep and boom. It felt like chaos in a cartoon. Dino, dino, stomping away. Chaos follows wherever you play. The city's in trouble, oh what a sight. A dino's rampage day and night. Trash cans flying, bicycles tossed. So much mess, the city's lost. The playground swings went to and fro. Dino's roar was the star of the show. Dino, dino, stomping away. Chaos follows wherever you play. The city's in trouble, oh what a sight. A dino's rampage day and night.
We were coming back from shopping, and then... Huh? What's that shiny thing over there? It looks nice! Hey, do you want this? Wow! It's so pretty! Huh? What's going on here? See? The dino toy caused all this trouble. but it ran away. My favorite toy.
Oh, then it must be the evil band that caused all this trouble.
Hurry, let's not waste time. We should go. Don't worry, everyone. Let's send Luna to track it down. Luna, go find the dinosaur.
Luna the drone, so shiny and bright, searching for dinos in the moonlit night. She soared through the sky with a whirring sound, hoping the big dino could soon be found. The big dino roared in the city so loud, smashing up cars and scaring the crowd. He tossed big things and stomped on the ground. Chaos and fear were all around. He roared from behind the tall buildings high. People ran screaming, oh no, why? The police tried shooting, but it didn't work. The dino just roared with a powerful jerk. The police had an idea, a brand new way. They geared up strong to save the day. They climbed tall walls and crossed each spot, spotted the dino and took their shot. The dino roared, but they didn't fall. They grabbed the ring, so brave and tall. The city cheered as the danger was gone. The people sang, hooray, well done. The brave police, so bold and strong, fighting the danger all day long. With courage and heart, they saved the day. Heroes of the city, hip hip hooray.
Look, I found it! Johnny, quick, put it in the box. It'll be safe there. Finally, it's all over. over. Hey everyone, no need to worry. We've solved all the trouble.
Come on, guys.
Here it is. Is anybody watching?
No, there isn't anyone around. Just open it, Whisker.
I'll open it. Oops.
Huh?
Ha! You clumsy fool. Never mind. Let's just jump in.
Authentication required. Scanning. Authentication verified. Granting permission.
Huh. That's strange. There's no one here.
Jumpy Dumpy, what a surprise! The troublemaker Whisker and the goofy friend Sarai. Peekaboo!
Hey, don't play your tricks on me, Zorro.
Let him go, Whisker.
Oh no! Let me go, Whisker! I'm joking. Oh.
What a surprise. What's new, guys? Am I smelling misery?
Oh, Mr. Blair. Things are difficult now.
The police are chasing us everywhere.
Ugh, I'm tired of sneaking around. I want to steal like a hero.
Forget your worries. I have a plan to eliminate the place. We are going to take over the city. Look, meet Snow Spitter. My latest invention. It will freeze the entire city.
Freezing? Oh, I love freezing the city. I love it. I love it. I love it.
I have something for each of you. The jewels of my latest invention. Bella. This is a gumball gun. Fast and hot. Whisker is the blue star. Powerful and dangerous. And Dusk, this is the Bobby Striker. Use it carefully. Now it's time for a frozen adventure.
Oh no, the thieves are very tricky. Yeah, but we'll catch them. Guys, look!
Well. Citizen of Rainbow City, your time is up. My robot will freeze you all, and the city will be mine forever. Get ready for the frozen adventure.
What? A robot attack? Who is he? What's happening here? It seems we're in big trouble. We need to fix this. Come on, let's go, hurry!
Flair the rabbit causing a mess. A robot rampage, city in distress. Bunny kid strolling, ice cream in hand. Frozen mid-step, he can't even stand. Monkey boy sees a girl, his heart takes a dive. Kneels with the rose, but snow makes him freeze alive. Raccoon thieves, Bella and Dusk, with Whisker the cat stirring up a fuss. Oh, Grandma's crossing, they tried to scare, but she's got courage, she's well prepared. Dusk charges in, but gets a big whack. Grandma's punch sends him flat on his back. Thieves laugh, laugh, with her gumball gun, firing sticky sweets, thinking she's won. Grandma dodges, she's clever and spry, but snow falls on her and she's frozen mid-try. The thieves laugh loud, thinking they've won, but here come the sirens, time to run. Say, Dolly Johnny's speeding through, heroes on wheels coming to rescue. Mark Dolly steps up, but ice takes hold. Johnny climbs high, brave and bold. Flair strikes fast, freezing them tight. Zay fights back with all his might. The robot looms, its power grows, but Zay won't stop, he always knows. With courage strong, they'll make it through. Together as heroes, their hearts stay true. Heroes on wheels, they'll never fall. Say, Dolly Johnny, they'll save us all. Frozen now, but hope's not gone. The fight's not over. They'll carry on.
Where am I? Dolly? Johnny? Are you there? Yes, but we're trapped.
Well. My dear officers, how sad to see you like this.
Hey, who are you? What do you want?
Me? I am Flair, the scientist. Oh, and Mr. Whisker Rider's team work for me. Poor officers, don't even think about breaking that machine. You can't. See, I told you, you'll never escape. The city is mine now. The story of the 3 brave police officers ends here. Goodbye.
What do we do now?
Don't worry, let's call Luna. I've already activated voice commands. Luna, emergency help.
Connecting to Luna. Activated.
Guys, what's next? We don't have any weapons to stop Flair.
Yeah, how do we save the city? This is really bad. I know someone who can help. Let me call him. Professor, this is the police. We're in big trouble and need your help. I'd be happy to help. Officers, please come to my lab.
So, the city's under a robot attack?
Yeah, but we don't have any weapons to defend ourselves.
Come with me. I've got something to show you. Look, these are my latest inventions. The hoverboard, fast and powerful. It can even melt the snow. The defense shield, it blocks any attack like a protective bubble. The keytar, it sends out electric waves that can stop anything.
Freezing all with icy board. 3 thieves found a boy with a tear. Fellas on
we believe in you. Together they fought, the robot fell. His icy plan said farewell. Oh, Johnny, Jolly, baby, say, heroes saving the day. The city's safe, the ice is gone. They bring the city back to life. Oh, Johnny, Dolly, baby, say, heroes saving the day. The city's safe, the ice is gone. Together we all sing on. Oh, Johnny, Dolly, baby, say, heroes saving the day. The city's safe, the ice is gone. Together we all sing along.
Flare, come out of the rowboat. You can't escape, Flare. It's over.
Over? I never lose. I'll be back stronger than ever. Rage and see.
Finally, everything's back to normal. Yeah, but we need to stay alert. He might come back.
Yes, I found it. Nobody can stop me now. Zoro, we're gonna blow the city.
Blow up the city? Wow, such a great idea. I'm buckling up, Buttercup, buckling up. I'm excited. This is it, the big moment.
Time to make a change.
What a good day. Yes, true. So peaceful. Oh, look at that. Oh, my sweetie pie. Are you tired? Hey, drink it, buddy. You'll feel better. Now you'll be okay. Fly high, little one.
Hey, finish your ice cream, Sugar Pop. We need to go. My bag! Thieves! Thieves! Give me my bag!
Mama!
Let it go! Oh no! Give it back to me!
Oh wow, so many bags! Guys, I got everything we want. Let's go!
Oh no! I've lost everything! Help!
Guys, let's head to the police station. Hey, look!
Offensive driving detected. Suspected vehicle speed 102 miles per hour.
We need to stop that vehicle. Calling for a ride now.
Accessing automatic ride. Suspect location detected.
Come on, let's go! Guys, it's better to take a shortcut.
Huh? Police?
Oh, what's the issue, officer? Are we causing trouble?
Yes, you are. Overspeeding is not allowed. Huh? What's that? Why is it shaking?
Don't be afraid of them. I'm here to save you.
Plastic robot shook the ground. Fire and ice spread all around. Whisker, bellow, raccoon too. Tearing the city, nothing to do. Snowbots freezing all in sight. Turning day into endless flight. One by one we try
right. Lasers clashed and sparks would fly. Metal fists fell from the sky. Baby Zay stood up tall, dodged the thoughts but took a fall. Tanks rolled in a battle rout, smoke and flames formed a shroud. We struck hard, we gave our all, but the city watched us fall. Sun was freezing all in sight, turning day into endless white. One by one we tried to fight, but the city lost its light. Lasers clashed and sparks would fly. Metal fists fell from the sky. Baby Say he stood up tall, dodged the clouds but took a fall. Tanks rolled in battle loud, smoke and flames formed a shroud. We struck hard, we gave our all, but the city watched us fall. Silver's freezing all in sight, turning day into endless light. One by one we tried to fight, but the city lost its light. The officers failed again.
See? This is what happens when you try to stop me. The city is mine. My robots are in charge now. Robots cease operation. This is the perfect time to attack. Robot army, initiate action.
Time for a little prank. I got all the dollars. This is super cool. One for your life, we're gonna blow up the park.
Not so fast, Whisker. You can't escape from us.
The city shook, the robots ran where the rabbit had a plan. Tiny bots zooming fast, causing trouble, what a blast. Johnny Dolly tasted tall, with the police they stopped them all. Brave strong, side by side, fighting back with courage. Why? Johnny Dolly tasted tall, with the police they stopped them all. Brave and strong, side by side, fighting back with courage. Why? Then the thieves came in to fight. Whisker fella does chase, dodging fast, it's a fierce race. Flipping, rolling, dodging blows, lightning moves of battle pros. One last hit, the box goes down. Flair just frowns and spins around. The fight was strong, Flash was fast.
Mission accomplished. But Flair was still out there. Look, he's coming! We need to catch him!
Don't judge me, officer. I may lose today, but I'll be back.
At least it's over for now. But Flair escaped. We have to stay alert. He'll be back.